The cryptocurrency space is full of nothing but good news right now. And I know prices might be pulling back just slightly today, but in this video we're going to be going over some of the headlines because you can see here institutions are getting in, and they're getting in a big way. After we go over these headlines, I want to talk about retail because you can come out here to Google Trends and you can see exactly what's going on in terms of retail investors. And oh my goodness, this pre-sale has me the most excited about a pre-sale that I have ever been. 90s nostalgia mixed with that dog meme. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a good one. Let's talk about all of it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and we're gonna be talking about Play Doge in a second here, but man, you have got to see the news dictating the cryptocurrency market today. Look at these headlines. PayPal makes retail stablecoin play with PYUSD on Solana. PayPal stablecoin now available on Solana blockchain, providing fast blah blah blah. PayPal USD to go live on the Solana blockchain. And even the worst of the worst news gets even better. Listen to this. Winklevoss crypto firm customers are going to get back triple the value of their assets. Now, guys, I was a part of Voyager a couple of years ago, and that was an absolute mess. We got back about a third of our value in that bankruptcy there. Winklevoss twins, they own the Gemini exchange, and customers getting back triple their value. Absolutely insane. So even the worst of the crypto news is very, very good right now. And overall, you can see one major trend happening. Institutions are getting involved. Institutions are driving the price of Bitcoin higher. Institutions are driving the price of Ethereum higher. Institutions are driving the crypto space. And institutions outweigh retail in terms of money. But when retail gets involved, that's when the little guys soar. Now, if you're wondering whether or not retail is involved right now, you can pick any cryptocurrency related search term, go out to trends.google.com to see how well it's doing. And as you can see here, crypto is down at a level of 15, which means that roughly 15% of the people are interested in crypto right now that were interested back during the peak of 2021. Now, that indicates to me, as a glass half full type of a guy, that we have a long way to go before the retail FOMO really kicks in. And when that retail FOMO kicks in, you better believe that meme coins are going to soar. Now, that brings me to Play Doge. Play Doge is on the screen right now, and if you guys feel like buying it at any given time, make sure you utilize the affiliate link that's in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website. You guys are going to be able to go out there, grab as much Play Doge as you want, and after going through this website here, you're going to see that this is really going to hit home with kind of cryptocurrency's core audience. Now, I don't know if you guys grew up in the 90s, I don't know if you grew up in the 80s, whatever, but you're going to have a very, very kind of hit-home feeling with Play Doge. Now, if you find yourself interested in buying, you click Connect Your Wallet, and I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys can go through with sort of anyone that you want to there. And after your wallet's connected, this is going to launch on the BNB, or the Binance Smart Chain, on the Binance blockchain there. So if you're interested and you want to buy 10 BNB worth, you're going to be walking away with 1,164,306 Play Doge. Of course, you guys can also buy with USDT and Ethereum, but if you decide to buy with Ethereum, you're going to forego the staking rewards. And staking rewards are very nice right now, nearly 1,000%. You guys are going to be earning 898% on an annualized basis if you decide to stake. Now, this reward rate is dynamic. That means that more people that decide to stake, the more pieces this pie has to be cut into. And the more pieces the pie is cut into, the smaller your piece is going to be. So if you do want to stake, I guess decide to stake earlier rather than later so you can earn as much Play Doge as possible here. Now, going through to see what these guys are building, they're building a play to earn game. A simple Tamagotchi style game where you can raise your Doge. And of course, after raising him, you can pet him, you can feed him, you can entertain him, all of that good stuff. But you're going to be earning Play Doge by doing so. Now, this app is going to become under development, and you're also going to have these retro arcade style games, which I know a lot of people are going to have fun with. And you know what? The simpler the game, the easier it is to play on your phone. I'm not a huge gamer myself, but a lot of this stuff, it brings back memories, and I think a lot of people are simply going to buy in because of the memories, because of the nostalgia, and that is what's going to drive this price higher. So you can see that the app is going to start development as the pre-sale is ending. And then in phase 3, when they start to go after centralized exchanges, that's when you can see the app in beta form. You're going to be able to test it out. You're going to be able to play the game, all of that good stuff. And then, of course, as they get the larger centralized exchanges out there, they're going to be doing community airdrops, mini game launches, and you're going to have the Play Doge app released. So what is the play token? The play token is the play to earn token for the game that we just went over there. And the tokenomics are broken down as follows. You guys got 4.7 billion set aside for the pre-sale. Community rewards, 750 million of the, or 705 million, sorry. Liquidity pool, 1.08 billion, 1.1 marketing, 1.1 billion going towards marketing. Project funds, 1.1, and staking rewards, 564 million Play Doge in staking rewards. If you guys need a walkthrough tutorial on how to buy, you can simply come down here and go through it. But it is fairly straightforward on how to connect your wallet to the widget at the top of the screen and make that purchase there. Frequently asked questions, and just to show you guys, it is going to be claiming is going to be live on the BNB blockchain. So if you guys have a lot of BNB, or if you want to move your Ethereum over to BNB, absolutely check out Play Doge. Now guys, here's why I'm so excited about it. As you can see from their website, it combines the 90s nostalgia, it combines the best of kind of the play to earn gaming sector. It is that meme status with this little Doge here and the Doge name and all of that. And staking rewards are excellent right now. One of the things that you need to pay attention to, how fast these pre-sales sell out. Guys, they're up about $150,000 just since yesterday, and in the last basically 36 hours, they have done $340,000 in sales. Doing like $10,000 an hour at this point, and these guys are showing no signs of slowing down, but in fact, they're speeding up. So I am in Play Doge. I'm excited about Play Doge. I want to know if you guys are buying into Play Doge down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.